everybody, I'm Ms. Cynthia, and with today's book talk, I'm talking about Merci Suárez Changes Gears by Meg Medina. School families might recall my read aloud of Soul Painting Incorporated, a short story by Meg Medina from Flying Lessons and Other Stories, which is edited by Ellen O. That short story takes place before the events that are documented in this book, and it offers a nice introduction to Mercy's situation as a student at Seaward Pines Academy. Merci and her brother Raleigh are at the school on scholarship, and they perform community service to help pay for their tuition, which is why, as this book opens, Merci has been assigned to be a sunshine buddy to help a new student feel welcome at the school. To her mortification and embarrassment, the student she's assigned to is a boy. And if it isn't bad enough that people start teasing Merci about her supposed boyfriend, the bossiest girl at school has set her own sights on Michael. Merci asks in vain to be given some other form of community service, but she is told that it is an honor to represent the school in this way. In further complications, Mercy's grandfather, her Lolo, is forgetting things more and more. Lately, he's even done things that place him and the family at risk, like the time when Lolo tried to take the wrong twins when getting Mercy's younger brothers from school, or the time when Lolo wandered away while on a painting job with Merci and her pappy. This book offers a lot for readers to think about and consider. At its core, it tells a heartwarming story about an intergenerational family and the ways that families must sometimes cope with unexpected but inevitable changes. Merci Suárez Changes Gears was published in 2018 by Candlewick Press, and it was the 2019 winner of the John Newbery Medal. Each year with this medal, the American Library Association honors an author of the most distinguished contribution to American literature for children. Merci Suárez Changes Gears was also designated an honor book for the Charlotte Huck Award for Outstanding Fiction for Children, presented each year by the National Council of Teachers of English. This award promotes and recognizes excellence in the writing of fiction for children that has the potential to transform their lives by inviting compassion, imagination, and wonder.